It was excellent actually. It was very constructive way the training modules has been created. So since I have been with UST, like I am completing 20 years this February,
Wow.
so we practice already that this is in our life actually in DNA, UST DNA. But how it was like a very constructive way we can take this to team and implement using the frame models and frameworks, etc. So that is very constructive and very instrumental in helping team to practice the values and follow this servant leadership concept. Exactly, it will help UST to embrace and help our team members to excel there in delivery or upskilling them to meet the new technical challenges in coming in our way actually. That would be definitely it will be a boost for UST if we follow these values and this culture or the servant leadership methodology that will help the UST as an organization to build the talent. Eventually it is like people people produce the results. So definitely this will help UST to capture the new gen technologies and make more revenues. Definitely, I would recommend my colleagues as well as my team members to register for this and attend this servant leadership. Yeah, then they will get all the also the feeling because they are just starting their career. So it would be very helpful for them to nurture in this future actually. Yeah.